Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have a tool storage roll-up bag. I have a bunch of these that I use for wrenches and stuff, and so I got this one here because it can be used for other stuff as well. And what's cool about this one here too is I can screw it on the wall. I can put some screws in the wall and it'll hold up on there, so I can load my tools and then I'll be ready to go. I just grab it off the wall to go. So the way it has here, it has these little pockets here, which are going to be nice and handy for little things. I'll just stick a charger in there for right now. I have another side here. You can put different screws and different stuff inside of these. I have a slightly larger one here. I can put something else in. I can stick my big, this is a big battery. I can stick some big batteries in there, so I have those handy. I have another storage one here, like the same size, another one here, and a final one here. So we have a lot of these different storage ones here. I can be putting everything I want in there. I can stick all sorts of stuff in there. So great for tool storage, great for anything. And then once it's all full up, I have the handles here so I can hold it as such like this with each of the handles there, or I can do the roll up on it. So where you roll it. I think I closed those zipper pouches, yes. Okay, and then you can do the strap around it like this and clip it on. And the other one, the other side I've got the battery on, so I'm gonna make it a little bit looser. Okay, probably made it way too loose, but okay, you get the idea. So then I can strap this here, and then I have a little handle here, or I could even use the handle from the bag. But there, and I can have a nice roll of my tools. So it's cool. I can roll it up that way there. If I wanted to put a hanging strap, like one of those armband straps, I could put that around here as well. And then have it here with all my tools as I'm walking. If I'm having a distance to go, might make it easier to carry that way as well. So really cool. Lots of versatility in this bag. You could use it for anything. I'll be using it for tools, but if you were into electronics and stuff, you could probably put all your wires and stuff in the different sections. Or anything else you have. It's really cool. So if you're an electrician, it'd be good to keep your meters and things in there, and extra cables and wires and strippers and different things. You could just bring this with everything. So totally useful. And then, on the back side here too, there's an additional pocket here. With the little sections in it, so I could put my screwdrivers and different devices in there. I mean, I just have some scissors here, but you could put anything in there. And then it'll close it up over it so it won't fall out. So that's kind of cool. So I just have scissors in there, but you can put lots of different stuff in there as well. So totally a great kit that you have here. And so I recommend this one. This is nice and sturdy, made out of a good canvas. And I really like this one here. This is going to be used probably almost daily. Thumbs up.